What is up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at another cutting edge fireworks. This one is a 36 shot 500 gram cake called Black Eye. Now this is the last of the knockout assortment case that I got from Cutting Edge. I saved what I believe would be the best for last, so I can't really wait to take a look at what this one's going to have in it. Let's go ahead and see what the performance is going to be. So we have crackling tail to red peony with thyme rain, and then crackling tail to green palm. So a red and green crackling cake is what it looks like to me. 36 shots, all the same size that we are accustomed with this knockout assortment. A little over nickel size tubes. Obviously, I'm assuming it's going to be one after another, or is it going to be 6 at a time? We know the finale is going to be all 6, but I wonder what the sequence is going to be before then. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So we have Black Eye by Cutting Edge Fireworks, 36 shot 500 gram cake. Hope you Pyros enjoy. For now, I'll see all you Pyros next week with another demo video.
Nice. Best one of the whole case. Saved it for last and it turned out well. All right, Pyros, hope you enjoy.